Santa face tutorial is in next video. Don't miss the end result.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. If you like my work, please like, comment, and share with your friends and family. Don't miss Santa face tutorial. Santa face tutorial will be uploaded next video. Stay connected and spread love. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Subscribe to get instant updates. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay connected and spread love. After varnish, Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.